And sometimes that means you have to figure out which way you go in terms of spending your time and finding, not to come back to Severance, but the work-life balance. Or, I guess I wouldn't say the work-life balance for me. It's more like the creativity life balance.
Because it's been a consuming experience for you, and rightfully so. It sounds like everyone who works on the show is purposefully, by design, obsessed with working on the show.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that's the case